Hi guys, just a short update on the Bulldozer tonight. Been doing a little bit of 3D printing. This is to replace the bit that I had to break to get it off. So that will fit on there. I've also printed a funnel, chimney, whatever you want to call that, exhaust. The colour isn't relevant, that's just me using up scraps of filament to make sure I get it right, because this is actually the third print. To get it right. I did say in the previous video, I think it's the previous one, that that switch was the only one I could see on eBay, and it's too big. When I say the only one I could see, it was the only one that was local in the UK. I can get them from AliExpress, and I can get them from eBay if I'm willing to wait. So I have actually ordered a pack of 10 for something stupid like £1.78 or something like that. Less than the cost of a stamp in the UK to bring it all the way from China, which is the crazy way things go. In case you missed the previous episode, it is now working. Oh, I've got tires tracks jammed there. Yeah, a bit noisy, but yeah, electrics all work. We're running it off a lithium-ion battery. I haven't done anything about replacing the battery box that would have 2 AA batteries in it. That switch is only temporary in that position. It's supposed to be down there. Depending on what size the switch is when it actually arrives in a month or two's time, if I can't get it in there, I won't fit it just here, because that's going to foul. There should be some hydraulic rams that go up and down the front here and link to there, which lift the shovel, bucket, whatever, up and down. So if I can't get a switch that fits in there, I might fit it up here, which is to say, well, I'm not too worried about getting this right at the moment, colour-wise. I do have a tiny bit of yellow filament, which will be enough to do that if I want to make it yellow. But I might actually print it in black or something. And then also I found some pictures of similar looking bulldozers that show me how this bit at the front here should be. So say 2 hydraulic rams that point up and down like that and then connect onto there. Well, on a bar that goes across the front, to be more exact, which is why that's no good there. This is actually a clip out of one of my charity shop short videos where I spotted a similar bulldozer back in 2018 in a charity shop. But at least it shows me the sort of way that those hydraulic rams should go, more or less. Okay, so that was a rambling update. This is going to be one of those background projects now, because I've got to wait for a month or two before the bits arrive. I'll probably still go ahead and look at trying to print these bits. They won't be accurate, because I'm going to have to use my imagination, because I can't find a picture of this actual toy, Dominators. I might find one eventually, but so far I've had no luck trying to find one. And there's no brand name on it anywhere to help me. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing, and somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.